In this video we're going to be going over how project managers can use ChatGPT for various aspects of project management and to make their jobs more efficient and save time. We'll be going over a variety of different prompts in different categories. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right onto ChatGPT. The first aspect of project management we're going to take a look into is idea generation. For example, if I can't think of ideas for a specific project or just need to get the ball rolling, I could type something along the lines of, "Can you suggest some innovative solutions for increasing customer engagement in brick and mortar retail stores? Provide up to 6 ideas." As you can see, it has provided a variety of unique ideas which relate to the project type we specified in the original prompt. Along with the idea, it has given a description of how the idea will work and how it can help increase customer engagement. For example, for live events and workshops, it has said, host live events, workshops and demonstrations within the store to create a sense of community. Another example of an idea generation prompt we could use is, generate marketing campaign ideas for launching high-tech running shoes targeting young athletes. Provide up to 4 campaign ideas. In the matter of seconds, it has provided 4 unique ideas for a marketing campaign. It has given a thorough description of each idea. Remember, all these prompts in this video can be customized to meet your specific situation. One of the most important but also time-consuming elements of project management is the creation of documentation. But this is something ChatGPT can help with. For example, if I need to create a project plan, but I'm struggling to work out how to structure it, I can ask ChatGPT, draft a project plan outline for a software development project focused on creating a mobile banking app that includes timelines and milestones, resource allocation and risk management strategies. It has come back with a full project plan for a software development project. It has a title and 7 sections which you may need to think about when creating a project plan. This is extremely useful as it will get us thinking about what potentially include and how we should structure our project plan. For example, for the project scope section, it has listed out all the different stages which we may not have thought about before we asked ChatGPT. Another example of using ChatGPT for documentation is using it to create a project proposal. I'm simply going to type, help me draft a proposal for a technology upgrade project for a non-profit organisation, includes sections on project background, objectives, expected outcome and resource requirements. As you can see, it has come up with a project proposal with all the sections we mentioned in our initial prompt. This can be used to get ideas for how to structure answers under each point, and it can give you an idea of what should be included. The next use case for ChatGPT in project management is resource management. Resource management is the efficient and effective development of an organisation's resources when they are needed, as it is an extremely important part of project management. We can use ChatGPT to create a template for a resource allocation plan. For example, I'm going to type, help me create a resource allocation plan template for a commercial construction project. Include categories for labour, materials, technology and budget considerations. Within seconds we have been provided with 4 tables for labour, materials, technology and budget. Each table has columns which are relevant to what the table is for. For example, the budget considerations table has 4 columns: category, estimated cost, actual cost and variance. Then if we take a look at the labour allocation table, we have 5 columns: role/position, number required, hours/week, total hours and assigned column. Next up, we're going to see how ChatGPT can help with risk assessment. If we're struggling to think of potential risks that may be associated with a specific project, we could ask ChatGPT something along the lines of, help me identify potential risks for a commercial real estate development project. List each risk with a brief description and potential impacts on the project. We have now been provided with a list of potential risks for commercial real estate development projects. The list not only includes physical risks, but also includes economical and financial risks. For example, in the list it has included construction quality issues and economic downturn. Ensuring team members are trained to a good standard is important to keep projects floating as they should. This is where ChatGPT can help. We're going to ask it to develop a safety training outline for a chemical manufacturing project covering all necessary safety protocols and emergency procedures specific to the chemical industry. It has started with an introduction, then it has listed all the necessary topics that should be covered, then it has ended in a Q&A session. Under each heading, it has given an overview of what should be included in that section in the form of bullet points. For example, under emergency procedure, it has said fire prevention measures in chemical manufacturing facilities, proper use of fire extinguishers and other firefighting equipment, and evacuation procedures in case of fire. Some of the points it has listed we may not have thought of ourselves. Last but not least, we're going to see how ChatGPT can help with the process of communicating with stakeholders. If I'd like some assistance in creating a communication plan, I could ask ChatGPT to develop a comprehensive communication plan for our software development project, detailing how to inform and engage all stakeholders throughout the project, include communication methods, frequency, and key messages for each group. It has now created us an in-depth communication plan with all the factors we specified in the initial prompt. It has given information on when to use specific communication methods, for example, email for formal updates, reports and documentation. For the frequency of communication section, it has given how often different types of updates should be given. It has provided loads more information that may be useful for a communication plan. Overall, ChatGPT is an extremely useful tool for project management. It can help provide relevant information and help speed different tasks up. If you found this video helpful and would like another video showing more ways of how project managers can use ChatGPT, simply type more in the comment sections below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.